All right, fellas, today we're doing a Indochino review. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat, where every week we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get those compliments. This summer I attended a wedding and I wore a suit and I looked so nice, so that motivated me to buy another suit. But this go around, I wanted to choose a suit that was simple, solid color, and I wanted to go with a double-breasted suit. Bro, where we going? K&G? Men's Warehouse? Tinkners? I got this suit from Indochino. Who? If you guys aren't familiar with Indochino, Indochino is a made-to-measure suit brand that doesn't just custom make suits. They also make shirts, chinos, blazers, and overcoats. Indochino is a great way to get that custom fit suit without spending a whole lot of money. Custom? You can do this two ways. One, you can do your own measurements at home. Myself? Oh no, count me out. Two, you can go to one of their stores and they can actually fit you. I actually chose to go to the store because there's a store that's close to me. So the experience in the store was great because when you first walk in the store, you see all the patterns, the materials that they use to make the suit. It's a nice looking store. You meet a person there, they size you, and what they actually do is that they use template. A template for suits? So what I mean by templates is there's a particular suit jacket that might fit you pretty close. They tailor that jacket to fit you exactly to what's best for your body type. They fitted me with the jacket, with the pants, and a vest just in case I got a vest. They put all the measurements in their database, and when I was ready to choose a suit, all I had to do was go online and order it, and they had my measurements. I actually got an Indochino suit back in 2019, so I decided to use those same measurements. I really haven't gained that much weight, and I just wore that last Indochino suit and it fit me very well. So I figured, hey, why not go with the same measurements? So with them already having my measurements, I went on their website and chose the suit that I wanted, which was the Hayden Flannel brown suit. I actually got it at a good time. It was before Christmas started, so they had a very good sale on their suits. Now this particular suit is a solid brown suit. It's made out of 97% wool and 3% spandex, which is great for me because sometimes I gain weight, sometimes I lose weight. I'm always in between weight sizes, so it's a great thing for me. Once you choose your suit and pay for it, then you can get into the fun part, which is to customize that suit to fit what you want it to look like. You can choose from the different lapels, double-breasted, color buttons you want inside of your suit to look like. You could choose the pockets. There's so many things that you can do with your suit, and it's a lot of fun picking what you want on your suit. It took them 3 to 4 weeks for them to ship it to me. What I ended up getting was this brown double-breasted suit. This is the first double-breasted suit I've ever gotten. I always steered away from it because of my stomach. A lot of guys that wear double-breasted suit, they seem pretty slim, but that's not true at all. Anybody can wear a double-breasted suit. You just got to make sure that it fits you properly. I also got peak lapels, which I've never gotten on a suit before. I'll always go with the regular lapels. I don't know why, but the peak lapels I like the look. I also like the interior of the suit. I chose a floral print fabric and I really like the way that it looked. Compared to all the other buttons they offered, I thought the brown buttons looked the best. I also chose to go with buttons inside my pants just in case I decide to wear them with suspenders one day. And I went with a double vent because I like the way double vents look over single vents because it looks more sophisticated to me. Now as far as the fit, I like the way that it fits, especially the pants, although the only thing about the pants is that I have a little bit of room in the waist. I don't know if I carried more weight at that time. Right now I don't, so it's a lot more room in the waist. As far as the jacket, I think the jacket could use a little bit more room. I did gain a little bit of weight. When I first tried the suit on, it fit perfectly. I didn't have any problems in the belly area, but for some reason, I don't know if maybe it was what I ate or whatever, it was fitting a little snug in the belly. You can't get this fixed if you take it back to Indochino. They have these tags on the jacket and on the pants, and they say that if you take it off, you can't get it tailored. Just make sure that when you try your suit on, that you don't take those tags off, just in case you need adjustments made to your suit. overall, I'm very happy with this suit. So who is this for? Getting your suit made to measure is great for guys that want a suit that fits them customly and they don't have to spend a lot of money to get it done. It's also great for guys that's tired of buying suits off the rack. This is also great for someone that has a future date that they are planning to wear this suit to, whether you're going to a wedding, graduation, a banquet. A banquet? Bro, you old. Any type of event that you want to wear a suit to, this is great for you guys. It gives you time for them to make the suit and tailor it to how you want it to be. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks for that to happen. Now, who is this not great for? This is not for somebody that's in a dire need of a suit and they need it now. This also isn't for someone that's not willing to pay $250 or greater on a suit. If you want to go with a suit that's cheaper than that, you may want to look somewhere else, or you may want to stay up to date to the sales that they offer. So fellas, let me know what you guys think of this suit in the comment section below. And also, if you tried a made to measure suit, share your experiences in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button because it helps support the channel. And I want to send a special shout out to all my Dappercrats out there. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.